Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is an excellent choice for drone enthusiasts and filmmakers alike, offering a fantastic combination of ease of use, extended battery life, and advanced features. Its impressive 46-minute battery life allows for extended flight sessions, and the dual-camera system provides greater creative flexibility compared to its predecessor. We highly recommend purchasing the DJI Air 3 Flymore Combo, which includes the DJI RC2 controller. This controller, with its built-in screen, is a significant upgrade over the standard version, eliminating the need to use your phone's screen for live view. One standout feature of the Air 3 is its comprehensive obstacle sensing and avoidance capabilities. With sensors on all sides, including the addition of side sensing, the drone ensures safer and more confident flying. These enhancements make the active track mode even more reliable, allowing the drone to autonomously follow and film subjects while skillfully avoiding obstacles. Compact and portable, the DJI Air 3 measures just 8 by 3.5 by 3.25 inches when folded and weighs about 1.5 pounds, making it a perfect travel companion that can fit into most backpacks. Additionally, its ability to maintain a steady position in moderate winds ensures you can capture smooth and stable footage regardless of conditions. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a powerhouse drone designed for those who demand top-tier camera performance and are willing to invest in cutting-edge features. Building on the strengths of the Air 3, the Mavic 3 Pro adds an extra camera, bringing the total to 3 and expanding its creative potential significantly. Camera capabilities. The Mavic 3 Pro features a Hasselblad-branded wide-angle lens, 24mm equivalent, with a 4/3 sensor, which excels in capturing fine detail and dynamic range. 2 telephoto lenses. 70mm equivalent lens with a 1/1.3-inch sensor. 166mm equivalent lens with a 1/2-inch sensor. This triple camera setup enables you to switch seamlessly between wide-angle, medium telephoto, and long telephoto perspectives, opening up new possibilities for storytelling and framing. Superior image quality. Thanks to its large main sensor, the Mavic 3 Pro captures more detail than most drones, even in challenging lighting conditions. It produces stunning images right out of the camera and provides ample data for post-production, ensuring professional-grade results. Video enthusiasts will appreciate its ability to record in up to 5.1K resolution, delivering vibrant, color-accurate footage that stands out from the competition. The Mavic 3 Pro offers a robust 43-minute battery life, falling just shy of the Air 3's 46 minutes. However, this is still impressive given its advanced features. Like the Air 3, it boasts omnidirectional obstacle sensing, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. Portability and precision. Despite its advanced capabilities, the Mavic 3 Pro remains portable and compact enough for professional use on the go. It's the ultimate tool for creators looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography. If you're a professional or a serious enthusiast, the Mavic 3 Pro is worth the investment for its unparalleled camera system and high-quality performance. Number 3. DJI Mini3. The DJI Mini3 is an excellent choice for beginners venturing into drone photography, especially for personal use. It's budget-friendly yet packed with enough features to deliver an enjoyable and rewarding experience. Key features for starters. 4K camera. While not as advanced as the Air 3's, the Mini3's camera offers good image quality with its f/1.7 aperture, even in low-light conditions. Lightweight design. At under 250 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it perfect for hassle-free flying. 38-minute battery life. This allows plenty of time for capturing stunning aerial shots during a single flight. For extended flights, the optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus can increase the flight time to an impressive 51 minutes, though it would require FAA registration. Smart features: it includes image and flight stabilization and smart flight modes, which allow you to capture cinematic shots with ease. Considerations: the lack of obstacle avoidance sensors means you'll need to be more cautious while flying, especially in tight spaces or around obstacles. However, the simplicity and affordability make it an ideal learning platform for new pilots. Do you plan to use the drone mainly for personal fun, or are you also looking to create more polished photo and video projects? Knowing your goals can help determine if the Mini 3 or another model better fits your needs. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is the perfect drone for thrill seekers and creators who want to capture dynamic, immersive footage. Unlike traditional drones that focus on cinematic landscapes, the Avata 2 delivers an exhilarating first-person view, FPV, experience, making viewers feel like they're part of the action. Key features of the DJI Avata 2. Immersive FPV design. Built for speed and agility, the Avata 2 offers an onboard experience, ideal for capturing fast-paced, heart-pounding shots. High-quality camera. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, it records 4K footage at up to 100 frames per second, providing sharp, smooth visuals that are perfect for high-energy scenes. Impressive speed. The drone reaches speeds of up to 27 meters per second, outpacing models like the Air 3 and Mavic 3 Pro, 21 meters per second. Durable build. The sturdy plastic shell is designed to withstand impacts, making it beginner-friendly for those who may occasionally clip a tree or wall while learning. Flymore Combo highlights. We recommend the Flymore Combo, which includes an updated headset for an enhanced FPV experience, 3 batteries, each providing around 20 minutes of flight time, a new, smaller motion controller that makes piloting intuitive for beginners. For pilots looking to unlock the full potential of manual FPV flying, the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3 is a must-have accessory. It enables more aggressive and precise flight maneuvers for advanced users. Number 5. Autel Robotics Evolite Plus. If you're looking for a non-DJI alternative or need a drone with a 6K camera, the Autel Robotics Evolite Plus is an excellent option. It offers a solid combination of features and performance, making it a strong contender in the market. Why choose the Autel Robotics Evolite Plus? 6K camera. The Lite Plus is equipped with a high-resolution camera, providing sharp and detailed footage for professional-grade video and photography. 40-minute flight time. With a long battery life, it rivals many DJI drones in endurance, allowing ample time for aerial exploration. Autonomous features. Similar to DJI, the Evolite Plus includes intelligent flight modes, making it easier to capture cinematic shots. Google Play app availability. The Autel Sky app can be downloaded directly from the Google Play Store, a notable difference from DJI's ecosystem, which may appeal to some users. Considerations. While the Autel Robotics Evolite Plus performs well, DJI drones still lead in value and image quality. For most users, DJI offers better overall performance and a more refined experience. However, the Evolite Plus is an ideal alternative for those avoiding DJI due to security or human rights concerns, prioritizing a 6K camera resolution for their projects. Whether you're seeking greater autonomy in your app ecosystem or need higher camera resolution, the Evolite Plus delivers a strong balance of features without compromising performance.